Pre-care is a crucial part of the PMU process. Yes, your technician is responsible for the outcome while on their table, but it is your responsibility to follow the pre-care practices to help a sister out and get the best possible results for you. My name is Alana Beman from Cosmopolitan Academy. You may have seen me on the TV show Legacy Makers or in one of the many publications globally. As a multi-certified global trainer, I've been helping artists just like you learn the best tips and techniques to become successful in the beauty industry. What I'm about to show you is very common courtesy to prep for your upcoming PMU services. So listen up to become the top tier PMU client that you are. And if you're an artist, don't be afraid to share this video to your clients prior to coming in to make your life easier. And don't stress if you miss any of these steps, because we can send it to you in our free 8-week PMU bootcamp with additional tips and tricks to scale your business to the next level. So very quickly, general instructions for your pre-care prior to all PMU applications. Of course, if your technician or artist has told you to do additional things, follow that as well. There's reason for it, trust me. So number one, no matter what PMU service you're getting, do not drink coffee or energy drinks on the day of the treatment. The reason for this is it will actually jumpstart your adrenaline, and it actually can make it hard for your body to absorb the numbing because your adrenaline will take over. So this is for your comfort. Do not drink alcohol 24 hours prior to the treatment. The reason for this is because not only will you be more uncomfortable if there's alcohol in your system, you will have a less pain tolerance as you are kind of entering that hangover phase, but also it can create bruising as well and a blood thinner. So it kind of gets messier for your technician to follow their guidelines and to do the best job that they possibly can. Do not take aspirin, vitamin E, ibuprofen 24 hours prior. It's also a blood thinner, so you're going to bleed more, which can affect the healing process in the end and your outcome, your healed results. So just help a sister out. Don't take any of this if you aren't medically permitted to by a doctor. Then just eliminate it from the day before so that they can see what they're doing. There's less bleeding and best possible outcome for you. Do not take omega-3 fish oil 1 week prior. This is because it can actually cause extreme bruising, which makes it really, really hard for your artist to see exactly where they're working if that starts to happen throughout the service. Do not tan or sun exposure 3 days prior. We always want the skin to be at their natural Fitzpatrick scale as close as possible. No chemical peels, lasers 2 weeks prior. Okay, we don't want to thin out the skin prior to tattooing. Naturally, this is going to create not as good outcome as if you follow this step. So this one is also for you. And then shower and fix your hair. Some applications you won't want to get the area wet for up to a couple days, but generally 5 hours after. So make sure that you're ready to go out, do whatever you're doing if you need to have your hair done, because you don't want to get it wet for sure, no matter what service, within 5 years, or 5 years, oh my gosh, that would be disgusting. 5 days or 5 hours, oh my gosh. Let me start over on this one. You do not want to get it wet, no matter what PMU service you're doing, for 5 hours after the procedure. Okay, so any other tips and tricks, your artist is going to let you know. But if you want to be a top tier client, show up with these bare minimums for the absolute best possible outcome for you and to be a top tier client for your artist. She'll really appreciate it. So let's quickly recap the steps to take prior to showing up for your PMU service to give your artist a flawless canvas and look like a top tier client. No caffeine 6 hours prior or alcohol 24 hours prior. The bleeding with the higher adrenaline will interfere with the numbing as well. No aspirin or ibuprofen prior. It is a blood thinner and you will bleed more. No omega 1 week prior. This causes the bruising and makes it hard to see where the artist is working. So if you love this video as much as I loved making it for you, then show some love and give me a subscribe, like, and of course, we want to hear from you. So give us a comment to make our day. And oh yeah, as our appreciation for your view, don't forget to take our free 8-week boot camp in the description link below. And if you want to pass every health inspection, you won't want to miss our next video. So come set up with me for a PMU service. I'll see you in the next video.